Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw Thalaivar superstar Rajinikanth. This is going to be epic, so sit back and enjoy this video, my friends. Friends, recently I have been making tutorials on charcoal and I have already posted 2 tutorials on this week itself about what is charcoal, and in another video I have shown you how to draw a realistic eye. If you haven't watched those videos, I'll put a link for those things down below in description as well as in the cards. Go and check it out, my friends. And I have already drawn few more Bollywood celebrities like Ajit, Vijay and S.P. Balasubramaniam sir, and another drawing of Vijay sir. So if you haven't watched those, I'll put a link for that playlist down below in description as well as in the cards. Go and check it out, my friends. Then friends, after watching this video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join in my lovely YouTube family and support me, friends. Each and every subscribers will be a big support for me, and if you like this video, please share this video to your friends and the people who would love this video. And check our playlist and video section. You might find a lot more useful and great content. Yeah friends, show some love. Friends, for this drawing I have used a single charcoal pencil, a soft charcoal pencil from Camlin, and for blending I have used a dry brush and paper stump. Then for highlights I have used my mono zero eraser, mechanical eraser and a kneadable eraser at some areas. Then for keen highlights I have used paint marker and white gel pen. Everything is not must, but if you have, it will be good. That's it friends, so I'm drawing this dress right now. So here's the drawing, my friends. I hope you like it, and if you like this drawing and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, I love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. Thank you so much for watching friends. See you on the next video.